Okay, hello guys. Today I ordered electric cigarette from Daraz, and I got my parcel today here. You can see that Daraz has delivered my parcel over here, and I don't know. This is the electric cigarette that I received, even though I've ordered for the CE4, but as you can see here, it's written CE5 over here. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but well, let's open it up and let's see what's in it. I've seen a lot of reviews about electric cigarettes, but this is the first time I bought one. So here you can see this is the package over here. So, and yes, this is the new CE5, as you can see the name written over here. So what we can see is this is the electronic cigarette, this is the atomizer, and this should be the battery. And over here we have a charger to recharge the battery over here, and we have a liquid, from where the vapor will gonna come. So well, that's about it. Here we can see some information. This charging time is 2 to 3 hours to get it fully charged, and it's 300 charges battery. I don't know what does it mean, that 300 charges. That means maybe it means like you can charge it 300 times, before it expires. So it is I don't know, USB input output, and this should be 1100 megahertz battery. So well, let's get started. Let's open it up. Alright, sorry I messed up a little. So this is the charging cable, this is the liquid, and yes sir, there is the electric cigarette, and well, it feels so smooth. It's really good. Wow, the hand feel is really nice. This is the pipe. Press it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, maybe it don't have any charges right now, so maybe you need to charge it up, and then maybe it will gonna work. So I'm gonna charge it up really quick, and I'm gonna come back with a taste test. So till then, we'll be right back. Stay tuned, guys.